Here she is, you guys. This is Carmen Major's new look. Hey, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and dolls. But today, I purchased a bag full of dolls that stink so bad.
I went number 2 in that bathroom and it won't flush.
I got a really good deal on Rainbow High dolls. I got 4 dolls for $35, but they smell like old garage cigarettes, maybe even piss. So we're gonna try to restore these dolls, make them smell good, just clean, and we're gonna go from there. So if you guys want to see which dolls smell,
It's really embarrassing.
and what I could come up with, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you guys already fell in love with my personality, you can follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok. I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's restore some smelly dolls. Hey guys, so I was glancing on Facebook Market. I'm always glancing on Facebook Market for some deals, some doll deals, and I came up with this seller that had 4 Rainbow High dolls that are some of the most sought after ones, and they were pretty cheap already. She had 4 for $50, but she claimed that it had the accessories like the second outfits, but it was missing the stands. So I messaged her and I said, can I have a discount? I'll buy all 4 dolls for $35, which would have saved me $15. Took a while to message me back, but then she agreed. Set up a pickup time. I went, I picked them up, and she said they're gonna be in a bag. I'm gonna leave them in the front porch or whatever. She opened the door when I got there and gave me this bag, which I'm like, okay, cute bag. All right, I was driving, and you know, when you buy something, you just can't wait. You can't wait till you get home, so you gotta take a peek or something. So I pull up, let's just pull up the doll that I pulled up. So I pulled up one of the dolls, and she looks good. She looks good. She definitely looks like a little girl was playing with her. She has the whole bow tie. Ooh, things are flying off of her. And the hair isn't that like tangled or damaged, so we could work with that. But as soon as I got closer, gave it a sniff, she just, I can't describe the smell. It's not, I don't know. It's between, it's like just being on a garage type of smell. So she doesn't really smell like smoke. It just smells like old garage or maybe mold. Just like when you go to a garage sale, like it's been sitting there for years. That's what it's giving. So yeah. And these $3 were the reason I got the pack. So I haven't seen this doll, but I know I've been wanting her. She is so pretty. This is Gabrielle Isley, and she is a baby blue. She's so pretty. This one? No, she stinks too. She stinks a little less, you guys. That is so cute. It's so sickening, you guys. Let me see if I can turn this a little. Look at the outfit. Like, isn't that gorgeous? She is so pretty. Like, the camera's not doing justice. And again, her hair is tied in a ponytail, but we can undo this and have some fun with her. And the last two I definitely wanted, so this one definitely smells a lot. And the hair, oh my god, you guys, the hair. Look at that gorgeous outfit. Like, come on now, Rainbow High, you did it again with a Dior. Okay, I'm not gonna get Rainbow High in trouble, but yeah. Anyways, this is Georgia Bloom. Definitely an orange doll, orange peachy doll, and her hair is so pretty. She's so pretty. The only thing is that she's stinky, definitely stinky, and the lashes are intact, but I feel like maybe I think a part of her lash is missing, but it's okay. We're gonna restyle her and see what we can come up with. Maybe I can make her hair straight, but I'm definitely gonna try to work her hair. But yeah, let's go give this girly a bath. Okay, you guys, so unfortunately, I don't have the footage of me washing her hair, but I went ahead and washed it with laundry detergent. Oh my god, you guys, and it worked like magic. This doll does not smell anymore. As y'all can see here, her hair looks so pretty, so beautiful. It doesn't have any knots. I went ahead and brushed it and kind of straightened some of it. I have here 3 sections. This is more on the straighter side. This is almost completely straight. And then on this side, I have it more wavy. I couldn't decide how I wanted it. But yeah, take your time with this, you guys. Work in really small sections. The smaller section, the better. And when you have your flat iron, set it to 380 degrees, no more than that, and use a heat resistant and a conditioner. That's what I used. Take your time, you guys, and back to me. Okay, you guys, are y'all ready to see the new and improved Carmen that does not smell bad? She smells so delicious. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Here she is, you guys. This is Carmen Major's new look. We gave her some very sleek hair. We gave her Jewel Richie's fur. We gave her own boots. She has Emmy's skirt, and I believe this is Ansley's top with Bella's little hair tiara or band, whatever you call it. But oh my god, do y'all like her new look? I think she looks absolutely gorgeous, more sophisticated. You guys, the hair took so long to straighten. The key is a lot of conditioner and just working with small baby strands. The finer the strand, the smaller the section, the better. Take your time. Get a wine, a beer, a drink of your choice. Get a drink of your choice and start working on your doll. Put some novellas on, put like Squid Game or something exciting that you want to watch, and just style the shit out of your doll. And yeah. Oh my god, you guys, this is Carmen's new look. Definitely looks like a whole different person. She smells so good, you guys. That detergent works wonders. If you're wondering how to get rid of nasty smells, reach for your laundry detergent. I mean, when you wash clothes and like kids pee on them, come on now. Of course, I knew this was gonna be kind of easy. And yeah, no more of that bad odor smell. She smells really, really good. She looks like a total bad bitch, you guys. So yeah, do y'all like Carmen Major's new look? let me know. Yeah, you guys, this is Carmen Major. I love her. She deserves to be on my wall. Probably gonna go up in my wall. Let me know if you guys want to see the rest of the restyles of this smelly bag. It could be a series. But yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like these restyles. They take a little bit longer to film. I'm sorry, but yeah, I might not film the whole process because it's like a long time, but let me know if you like them. But thanks, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Melina, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.